Manufacturing and distribution operations are critical to your business. Any downtime directly affects operations efficiency, customer experience, and the bottom line. Can your business afford a loss in profitability due to mismanaged supplies and poor quality labels? Who does your operations team call when printer supplies are out or a printer is down for maintenance because of low-quality labels? Does your organization have a dedicated label supplies team to ensure distribution and shipping operations never go down due to a barcode label? When your business trusts printers and label supplies management to ExtenData through our Thermal Managed Print Services program, your operations team is happier. Our T-MPS service provides visibility into printer performance, automatic label replenishment with high-quality thermal labels, and peace of mind for your staff. They can rest easy knowing that thermal printer experts are keeping operations up and running. To lower your operations expenses and give your team a leg up, visit our website to learn more and speak with our thermal printer and label experts.